As a developer, I have a lot of things to achieve, but one is providing solution, using what I know, the knowledge, especially the Web3 knowledge, the blockchain knowledge, to solve problems, trying to transform some of the Web2 app into Web3, because Web3 blockchain is providing scalability, security, and transparency.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayodeji Awosika. I'm the founder at Web3Bridge. For the last 5.5 years, Web3Bridge has been training amazing developers in Nigeria and in Africa. Trust me, cohort 12 was amazing. We had 74 guys into the cohort, 39 guys graduated from the cohort. They are intense. But then cohort 13 is going to be bigger than this 12 cohort, because here we've got guys apply from Cameroon, from Togo, from Kenya, from Zimbabwe, from Uganda, and yes, Nigeria is not left out. Trust me, don't want to miss the experience. Today, I'm chilling with Masio and his team at Web3 Media. They are speaking with the guys that just finished from the course. Make sure you watch that. As we say here at Web3 Media, in 3, 2, 1, oh yeah!
What's up? How far now, bro?
I'm good.
Look at you. Okay. Do you want to introduce yourself? Tell us your name, where you're from here in Nigeria, and your tribe.
Okay, I'm Ebuka Moses Okoye. I'm from Anambra State, and Igbo by tribe.
And can you tell us a little about your background and how you got to Web3Bridge?
Okay, I got into tech when I was in the university, and that was towards my final year. I met a friend and a brother, Kaswini Ojuku. So he taught me the Web2 basics before I left for NYSC. So after that, we keep in touch, discussing, talking, and when he came here, it was part of the course 7, I think. So after that, he kept telling me about blockchain and Web3. So he said I should look into it. So early this year, late last year, I have to give it a shot. I applied and I passed the test and I was invited to come over. When I told him, he was very, very happy and I said I should go, that is a good shot. So when I came here, I wouldn't say that what I saw here wasn't what I was expecting. You understand? Because I saw a lot of things. I saw the union, the togetherness, the unity, the brotherhood, and the teaching, taking me from where I am to where I'm supposed to be. It was a lot of good experience being here.
How would you say you experienced the mentorship being here? You speak about the brotherhood, about the camaraderie. How do the mentors fit into your experience this community?
Okay, I would say that my cohort is very blessed, because when we came, we met the senior guys, the alumni. Some of the alumni, they are here for masterclass, ZK. So if we encounter any problem, we used to run to them. The way they take their time to break it down, to make sure that we understand what the problem we are facing is and how to tackle it. They will guide you through and they will ensure that you get it done. So, and even the owner of Web3Bridge, when you go to him for any problem, he will also calm down. He will be talking to you like your own senior brother. So you see that there's a unity. So even with the staffs and everybody, and your team members, everybody, when they come here, the unity and the togetherness is, wow. Yeah.
Oh yeah. And I'm curious, what did you hope to achieve coming here? What are the goals for you?
Yeah, as a developer, I have a lot of things to achieve, but one is providing solution, to any problem, existing problem, using what I know, the knowledge, especially the Web3 knowledge, the blockchain knowledge, to solve problems, or trying to transform some of the Web2 app into Web3, because Web3 blockchain is providing scalability, security, and transparency. So this is not where you rush to the bank saying that you made a transaction and it failed. Everything is on chain. You see your transaction, if you fail or went through, you see everything there.
And I'm curious, do you feel like blockchain is important for Africa at large?
Very, very important. Very, very important, because I won't say, but we need transparency in Africa. Yeah.
No, I understand.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. And you all have been just completing this cohort now. You all are working on projects. I'm curious, what have you been working on? What solutions have you been designing?
Yeah, me and my team have been working on projects. Though we have 2 projects, but we are working on one now. The other one will work on it after we left here. After we leave here, rather. Then the one we are working on now is more is a platform where you can gift someone. It does like a gifting platform, but we don't want to call it a gifting platform. So where you can generate something like a gift card, you can give it out to someone, or you can also give it out to like an employee, like an incentive or maybe an encouragement to like or appreciation. And you can also give it out as a merch, a program, tech conference. So that is what we are building on.
Listen, and what would your advice be to someone who is a Web2 developer and not really sure whether or not Web3 is for them?
Okay, I won't advise the person anything, but I'll just tell the person it's either Web3Bridge or Web3Bridge.
Booyah. Okay, well, thank you. And to kind of wrap up, we like to say booyah here at We the Media. And I'm curious, how do you think we spell booyah?
Okay, booyah. Capital B, 00 YAH.
Okay. You say so. You want to count us down and we can say it?
1, 2, 3. Booyah!